Well, we're back here. We got a sample cut here, obviously, and they all went to town to take the sample, and the head, holy cow, the head of the weight is crazy. So they all went to town to take a sample, and Dad just texted me and said the weight was 17 something % moisture. So that is not good. That's too wet. I cut this little area right here to less than an acre to make room for the trucks and everything. And that kind of took a sample. It was less than 17, it was like 17%. And we want to cut it 14% or less. 13's dry, but we'll start cutting to 14. But I mean, it's kind of sucks because I mean, today's the 10th of June. And we kind of, I don't know, just kind of, we need to be going. But I mean, it was cutting good. I mean, the wheat cut good. I should have got some videos of it. I didn't get any comment footage because I was just trying to open up this field. Everybody's running around and just kind of pulled here and did this little circle right here. Do you see? And did that. But went down to right there. You can see what we're down to right there. But I mean, there's 50 acres in this field right here. This is the first we planted. I mean, you can see the heads. You can see the heads on this are down or curved down. You take it and there's a grain, and I mean they're dry. And they're a lot drier than it was, but this looks like pretty good wheat. But yeah, combines look running good. Got the two trucks here, combine. There's a cart over there. I've been about 10 tons of wheat. But yeah, we got 50 acres here. We got 25 acres right there, and then across the ditch over there we got 9 acres. And then we got and then across the other ditch over there there's a big field. I call it a big field. It's 350. So we got 500 and some acres of wheat right here. So we'll be here a while, and then we got and then we got a seed wheat. And then everything else we get left here, we got this done here, then everything else will be our seed wheat. But I mean, this is pretty good looking wheat. Pretty good looking wheat, you can see it. But yeah, I'll take some more video tomorrow. We did cut, we do get our rye cut. We had 10 acres of rye. We got that cut yesterday. The wheat's just a little, I don't know, seems like it's just a little slow back in there. We haven't had the weather's just kind of crappy today, so it's not too easy. And I hope the stuff dries out. But yeah, talk to y'all later.